Okay, if any of you were just watching the live, this is what I made. I got to clean off my board to put it on, and I may only be able to make one coaster, a squishy coaster with what's on the table, but if I don't have enough for more than one coaster, I might make a shot glass. I'm just trying to get this put away. I know I should have done that before I started recording. So anyway, but I do want to tell you, below this video, sorry, didn't mean to tear paper in your ear. Below this video, along with below the live I just did, you will see a link to my contest. My giveaway, I mean, not contest, the giveaway. There'll be a link. It's a website that sets it all up after I put in all the particulars, and you can enter every day between now and Saturday, March 16th, and I'm going to pick 2 winners Saturday night at 7 p.m. and they're going. Each winner is going to win one painting, and they're going to get their choice. Come on, get off of there. Okay. So, let me put this little guy down here. Yep. I got a squishy coaster. I love making squishy coasters. They are so fun to make. Anyway, let me get some tiles. Wish I forgot to keep the box open. So I'm going to get resin all over my lid. Oh well. You know, such is life. The struggle is real. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to bend over in front of the camera. I'm trying to open my box with my gloves on. Okay. I'm just going to grab 2 coasters. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of brown right there. And then I'm going to squish this blue up. I'm going to try to make a couple of little beaches. Little beachy coasters. Okay. Let me get some of the brown. There we go. There's the brown. Now, let me get some of the blue to make a little beach. I got more to pour on there, because you don't want to waste your resin. I probably buy one of the most expensive resins around, but that stuff is good. I use Stone Coat Countertops resin. Tonight, because I'm out of my art coat, I ended up using my countertop epoxy, but it still works. Okay. It's still got a great working time. It's got very low VOCs. It's heat resistant. I mean, I can't say enough good things about this resin. Thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Mike. I love your resin, and I hope you guys are watching. Or maybe I'll send a link to them so they can go in there and see that, because I love their products. One of the blues I used tonight was a mica powder they have called Crater Lake Blue Metallic. I don't think it's a glitter. I think it's a, I need some more brown right here. Now, I just use I finger paint. Okay? See? That's all I do is finger paint. I'm just a big kid at heart. I love finger painting. Okay. Now, let me put a little bit more brown down here. Okay. Okay. A little bit more brown down here, because I can see too much of the tile. So this is just fun therapy right here to do. You know, and there's no how do I put it? There's no rules in how you do this. I mean, yeah, resin has the big rule, mix it thoroughly. Okay, it has the other rule, Let it dry on a level surface because resin will go to the lowest spot as it's settling. Okay. What else does it have? But when it comes to your creations, go for it. Okay? Whatever you want to do, go for it. You know, it doesn't matter. You can finger paint. You can put the resin on. I mean, it has a couple other rules too. You don't want to mix any water in there, okay? You don't want to mix any oil in there. You do need to put heat on it to get rid of the bubbles. But that's what heat guns and torches are for. So anyway, resin, really, when you're creating your design, there's not a whole lot of rules, okay? First I want to kind of blow that out before I put the white on there. And then they're each going to get, I gotta cover that up. I accidentally got rid of my, thing on there, covering my switch. And I know that Jen's probably going to watch this later, and so's Vamp, and nice try. I told you I had to go. I can't stick around all night. This old lady's got to go to bed eventually, and I got to go out and have a cigarette, too. I can't smoke in my building, so I go outside for my cigarettes. Okay, let me give it a nice dollop right there of the white. I'm going to hopefully blow that. Okay, and then I'm just going to do a couple of whites up here. And now I'm going to try to blow me out some little waves. Okay, come on. Soften up. Blow, blow, blow. There we go. There we go. It's coming along now. Yay! Okay, all the products and materials I used in this video, along with these are the same ones I used in the live, but I will list them below this video. My white's going a little bit too far. So I thank y'all for watching this third episode of After the Live, just to see me create a little something with the leftover resin. I thought I'd blow it to get just a little bit more organic. Oops. I just ended up getting rid of some of the brown right there. So, thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I try to do a live every Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. I'm in Wisconsin, if that helps you figure out where my time zone's at compared to your time zone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. I answer the questions almost every day. I love the resin right out of you guys, okay? I thank y'all for all your support and for watching. And y'all have a nice day. And don't forget to enter the giveaway.